Hi, I'm Brandon and I'm a Shopify theme expert, and I want to explain to you how to create professional looking product page such as this one and also this one here and also this one here. Now, with these product pages, they all have something in common, which is the quality of the blocks allow you to make incremental changes to get each page looking exactly the way you want it to. With each page that comes out of the box with Shopify, especially if you're using a Dawn theme, they can look kind of generic or cookie cutter, and a lot of clients want to step away from that cookie cutter feel and move into something that looks a little bit more handcrafted. And the only way you can really achieve that is through editing settings that don't usually come out of the box with a Shopify theme. So the app that I created to help solve this is called Flexi. It's $5 a month with a 14-day free trial. And in this app, you get a bunch of different premium blocks, including accents, accordions, buttons, descriptions, and dividers. And each one of these blocks, as you can see, for example, in this description block, you can edit font size, text alignment, position, font color, link text. Heck, you can even set the max width and the line height to make each one of these blocks exactly the way you want. Whoops, I had to save this page. Navigate over here to look exactly the way you want. See, that's a little bit too small, but let's say if we wanted this to go a little bit wider here, let's say to 408 pixels, and then we wanted to have the line height a little bit taller, let's go to 70. Cool, and then drag down the font size to, let's say, 12. You can see that you can really edit this page any way that you want it to look. Hopefully this helps, and again, the main takeaway is use this app and you'll have full control over premium blocks inside your product page, something that would cost a lot of money if you'd get a premium theme for just $5 a month.